We intend to maintain our current expense structure and have our pricing strategy in place where we're going to make a reasonable margin on any sale of machinery, as well the growing royalties. Like the royalties grew from 1.5 to $2 million in third-party royalties collected year over year. And in fiscal 25, we're hoping that that again increases significantly.
Welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Brent Charlton. He is the president and CEO of Enwave Corporation. And Brent, good to see you again. How are you?
You as well, Steve. I'm doing great.
Awesome. Good stuff. Lots of stuff to talk about. You've had a lot of news over the last few days. So let's get to it. First off, you've announced a partnership with Alea Technology. This is for a bit of healthier snacks and things. So tell me a bit about how this all came about.
Well, we actually had a past relationship with Alea exploring the combination of their patented pulse electric field technology with our patented drying technology, our EV. And at the time, it was more exploratory. Now we have a specific project where they have several current clients using their PEF technology that want to develop better for you potato and root vegetable snack products. So what they're going to do is take one of our 10 kilowatt units to place at their facility in Germany and work directly with these clients to hopefully find a commercialization path where we'll be able to sell more of our REV machines to some of these larger potato and root vegetable companies.
Yeah, so this is expected to arrive there in February of next year, so it's quite quick. And the idea is to sort of take away the frying part of this. Is that right?
Yes, dramatically reducing the fat absorption into these types of products and also making them shelf stable with controlled lower temperatures to reduce the amount of acrylamide buildup, which is prevalent in the current potato chip snacks that you would go and buy from the grocery store today. So healthier options.
Okay. All right. So we'll leave that one for a second, which is exciting news from the company. Second part is you've recently released your financial numbers, and how would you sum up what 2024 was, Brent, as far as a year?
First half good. I mean, first half bad, excuse me, and second half much, much better. The
Yeah.
past two quarters, we were able to generate positive adjusted EBITDA in both quarters, and in Q4 had positive net income as well. So really a tale of two stories, and we anticipate that in fiscal 25, we're hoping to continue that momentum from the second half, not the first, going into the next year.
Yeah, pulling out some of the things from it, Q4 revenue was up quite substantially, 149%, and gross margins were up 243%. So those are really positive signs as you head into the next year.
Absolutely. And we intend to maintain our current expense structure and have our pricing strategy in place where we're going to make a reasonable margin on any sale of machinery, as well the growing royalties. Like the royalties grew from 1.5 to $2 million in third-party royalties collected year over year. And in fiscal 25, we're hoping that that again increases significantly based on the number of new large-scale machines that we've already just installed, and we'll start producing commercial products in the coming quarters.
Okay. And lastly, I just want to ask you, you also had an appointment of a new member of your board of directors, and this was following one of your long-term board members retiring.
Yeah, well, Ms. Mary Ritchie, who just recently retired, had been with the company for almost 10 years and had done a phenomenal job in the chair of the audit committee role. And it was simply put time for her to retire and spend more time with her family and on the sunny beaches of Hawaii and Mexico. And so thankfully, we were able to recruit a very, very, very established professional in Louise Lalonde, who has excellent financial acumen and will seamlessly step into the role of audit chair for Enwave.
Okay. Lastly, Brent, it just strikes me as the way you were talking about your financials about the first half into the second half and the look into 2025. It sounds like you really feel the company is in a strong footing as you head towards the future.
There are so many repeat sales opportunities for us with large scale equipment from some of our blue chip partners that have taken products to market and they continue to sell and do very well. So really, this is a volume forecast fulfillment strategy where so long as we know that information and we know the timeline that it takes to deliver these additional machines, we should expect steady news flow starting in Q2 and going all the way through the year.
Well, we look forward to hearing more about it. Brent, thank you so much. Good to talk to you, and we'll talk soon, okay?
Thanks, Steve. Take care.
All right. Brent Charlton, President and CEO of Enwave Corporation.